This is a follow-up video to a video that I published yesterday about the Blue Spark SL, and it was giving that humming and buzzing noise. I did return the microphone earlier today to Guitar Center, and they were super helpful, super nice. They totally understood, and they were willing to return the microphone and replace it with another one, and then they can go chase the manufacturer for the defect. So they had asked me a couple of questions. Tell me about your interface, tell me about the cables you're using, and they said, well, based on what you're sharing with me, then we really shouldn't be having those issues, so it's probably a manufacturer's defect. So what they did is they exchanged it for another one. This is the Spark SL. I don't know if it's Blackout Edition or not, but it looks to be the same microphone, although they did change the shock mount a little bit, which actually I like a lot better than the other one. The other one felt a little flimsy. This is more solid. It is metal. It looks like plastic, but it's actually metal. But unfortunately, we are running into the same issue with this microphone that we were running into the last one. So let me just show you here real quick. That's the buzzing. Now on this microphone, that's the only spot where you're getting that buzz and that hum from. You can touch any other part of the microphone and it's fine, but as soon as you touch that logo, bad news. So I think maybe it's a design flaw. There was someone actually that put a comment up on my YouTube channel that talked about the fact that they didn't ground the logo. The logo has no electrical connection to the microphone body. It means instead of being part of the Faraday cage, it acts as an antenna. And it's probably right over the most sensitive high impedance area of the circuit that will pick up that sort of thing. So I'm not entirely sure what all of that means, but I suspect this person knows a lot more about this stuff than I do. That's what we call the random channel. So this one's going back. I already called him and told him the issue. I tried. I have I have another cable here. I have another XLR cable, so it's definitely not the cable. It did the same exact thing with this cable that it did with the one that I currently have installed. So I'm just going to have to find a different brand, which is disappointing because I think this microphone does sound good, but in terms of longevity, having that kind of poor workmanship or poor design to begin with is a real red flag for me. And the other thing that was interesting about this one, and you can't really see it on the microphone itself as you're looking at it, but on the back side here, there's like a sticky substance. I don't know, it's almost like a sticker was there and somebody pulled it off and didn't remove the adhesive that was left over. Again, I'm not impressed with the quality control at Blue Microphones. It is what it is. I'll return it and replace it with something else, so stay tuned. Hopefully this was helpful. Take care.